Hello and welcome to Unique Instrumentation channel. Today, we are going to discuss about differential pressure flow transmitters. These devices are widely used in various industries, including oil and gas, chemical processing, and power generation. Let's dive in and understand how they work. What is a differential pressure flow transmitter? A differential pressure flow transmitter is a device that measures the flow rate of a fluid by calculating the difference in pressure between two points in a pipeline. This pressure difference is directly proportional to the square of the flow rate. By measuring the differential pressure, we can determine the flow rate of the fluid. How does it work? The differential pressure flow transmitter consists of a primary element, such as an orifice plate or venturi tube, which creates a pressure drop in the pipeline. The transmitter measures the pressure difference between the upstream and downstream sides of the primary element. This pressure difference is then converted into a flow rate signal, which can be displayed on a control system or used for control purposes. Installation and maintenance of differential pressure flow transmitter. Proper installation and maintenance are crucial for ensuring the accuracy and reliability of differential pressure flow transmitters. The transmitter should be installed in a location that minimizes turbulence and ensures a stable flow profile. Regular maintenance, such as checking for blockages and ensuring proper calibration, is also essential. Applications and benefits of this flow transmitter is: differential pressure flow transmitters are widely used in various industries due to their accuracy, reliability, and cost effectiveness. They are particularly useful in applications where high accuracy is not critical, but reliability and durability are essential. Some common applications include measuring flow rates of liquids, gases, and steam in pipelines. That's a wrap on differential pressure flow transmitters. I hope you now have a better understanding of how these devices work and their applications in various industries. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.